This is video of some mold spots and what appears to be some that were sprayed to further prevent more mold. Just going to go around the house. To show how much. And this is the new roof that was allowed to sit for months unsealed. Again, this is the second roof replacement that was allowed to sit without being sealed, because it took about 3, almost 4 months to complete. And I complained constantly, sending emails about the fact that there were constant leaks, and the same thing was going to be happening to the new roof as would happen to the old roof, which obviously had to be replaced. As you can see, there's quite a bit. I have other videos that actually show rain coming down profusely. Again, this is all throughout the house. Really bad here. Some more there, but it's really bad here. Just some of the things that I've constantly had to deal with. Not to mention this, my master bathtub that has been sitting here since August of 2022 with beer cans and water. That's how much rainwater had come in. Really bad here as well. Again, all throughout the house.